Located about 960 kilometers off the coast of mainland Ecuador are the Galapagos Islands, an archipelago known for its unique species. Unfortunately, like most marine ecosystems, the coastal habitats of the Galapagos Islands face many threats. An important first step to protect the marine species of the Galapagos Islands in the face of these threats is to better understand their ecological role. Macroalgae, or seaweeds, are plant-like organisms that generally live attached to rock in coastal areas. Macroalgae is very important to the marine fauna of the Galapagos Islands. Some species, like marine iguanas, eat macroalgae directly. Others, like flightless cormorants, use macroalgae for nests or other purposes. And higher trophic levels, like orcas, might consume animals that eat macroalgae.
My name is Lindsay Carr, and I'm a PhD student at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. My dissertation research is focused on understanding what factors regulate macroalgae in the Galapagos Islands.
Macroalgal cover varies annually and seasonally in the Galapagos archipelago. For example, during El Niño years, when nutrient input is depressed and sea surface temperature is increased, the amount of macroalgae decreases throughout the archipelago, and many animals, like iguanas, experience die-offs. El Niño events are natural, however, human-caused threats like habitat destruction through encroachment on nearshore habitats could decrease the ability of animal populations to recover after El Niño. Therefore, it is important to track both algal and animal populations over several years to develop an understanding of the variability in these populations. I have spent the past 2 summers collecting survey data from 9 sites at 7 different islands. I would like to survey more sites in August 2012, specifically sites on the westernmost islands. This region is especially important because it has the coldest sea surface temperature, highest nutrient input, and highest proportion of endemic species. Support for this project will go towards the boat rental fees to get my team out to these sites.
This information will be used to increase our knowledge of these unique algal and animal populations and will be used to better inform conservation practices in the Galapagos Islands. Thank you for your time, and thank you in advance for your support.